Hi there. Next up we've got a phone from Holland. This is the very popular Type 65 or T65. I believe these were brought out in the 60s and made by various firms over there. This one, as far as I can tell, unfortunately there is no lead to the wall plug, but that's not a problem. I don't know where I got this one from. As I say, I've been sorting through the cupboard upstairs and this one turned up. In fact, I didn't even know what it was. There's nothing on the bottom of it to say. And I did do a little bit of research and that's what I've come up with. Anyway, this is showing the case. I'll put an image of the phone complete in to start off. Here we got the case, and on the case I thought I noticed, yes, down the bottom there you got the name Ericsson. So it looks like that this particular model was made by Ericsson, and also on the little cover that covers the connections, you got the name Ericsson. Pretty sure this is possibly 76. You got that number there, 3176. You've also got that trademark. I've seen that used elsewhere. If anyone knows what that is, be interested. Anyway, looking inside the actual movement, not a badly constructed phone actually. Like I say, very plasticky. The cradle springs they're okay. The bell is rather unusual. You've got a vertically positioned coil. The loudness is controlled by a little button or a little wheel on the reverse side. There's your bells, your induction coil, which is made by ITT. They've obviously bought a lot of these in. A ringer capacitor and the connections to the dial. Now the dial is a little bit different. I'll show you the back of it. The dial is actually made by Krone. You can see the name down there. If it comes up any better, I don't know. Krone. Probably upside down, as per normal. Put it around the right way. I think you can see it's Krone. Quite an unusual dial. This particular version I've never seen before, but it's quite effective as you operate it. I won't take the actual cover off. I think it's a bit of a fiddly job. But there's the dial. Let's turn it over. The front of it. Normal type of dial used on these phones. Now if I can turn this over to the other side so you can see the bottom of it. It's on the side. Unfortunately, the number on that has gone, but it's definitely a T65. There's the terminations. All I've got to do is put a lead on. There, it shows where the contacts go. and the contacts to the handset. This is the controller for the sound, the loudness or softness of the bell. Funny enough, it looks like someone's written on here T65. Might have even been me many years ago. I think I've had this phone quite a while. Anyhow, that's the phone. It's got a nice ring. I'll make it ring. Nice clean ring. As I've said before, quite a well-made phone. A bit plasticky, well, that's what's to be expected. I think that's more or less it. Anyhow, once again, thanks for watching. As I say, I'm digging deep to find further examples to put up. If I put this up in the past, I do apologise. I may have done, but I'm not sure. Anyhow, that's the Type 65 from Holland, as they made by several makers, including obviously Ericsson and Krone. Krone is the maker of my two German phones, those two nice white ones. And I showed their dial, which is a little bit different. Not what I expected to find inside this phone. Anyhow, once again, many thanks for watching. Any comments please make, and I'll get back to you. I don't know if I showed the handset. I don't think I did. There's the actual handset. Typical, it has a grey with white caps. This seems to be quite common for this phone. Anyhow, before I start rambling and forgetting what I've got to say, I will say thanks for watching, and I'll pop this up on YouTube. Thank you again. Thank you.